In this week's court report, one of the two suspects who both pleaded guilty after a shooting at the Pahrump Nugget just had her sentencing hearing on Monday. Desiree Lewis got probation, according to court clerks, after her attorney outlined an error in the pre-sentence investigation report and argued in support of following the recommendations of the division. The court then complied. Lewis and Lee Anthony Daniels were arrested after Daniels shot a woman in the leg while inside a cafe in the Nugget. Both perpetrators fled the scene of the crime and were later located in Las Vegas. Although Lewis is at liberty, Daniels remains in custody, with his sentencing scheduled on August 1st. The man who led police on a high-speed chase of up to 60 miles per hour after allegedly kidnapping his ex-girlfriend was arraigned in district court Monday. Johnny Lotkeys pleaded guilty to one count of eluding a peace officer with endangerment. Lotkeys is accused of kidnapping his ex back on March 29th, taking her car, cell phone, and other belongings, then leading authorities in hot pursuit a few days later. Lotkeys' subsequent police chase resulted in a single vehicle rollover on Happy Lane between Charleston Park and Highway 372 on April 4th. After police chased him throughout the west side of town. The 30-year-old suspect was the only occupant in the vehicle and sustained multiple injuries. Lotkeys remains in custody, with his sentencing for this district court case now set for October 3rd, and his multiple justice court cases, which were already on calendar, scheduled for July 6th. Also in court Monday, a suspect with 5 open criminal cases in district court who is facing several felony charges. Alexander Michael Cook was charged with 3 counts of burglary, attempted burglary, unlawful use of a controlled substance and theft, possession of an instrument with burglarious intent, a gross misdemeanor, 3 counts of petty larceny, and 3 counts of injury to other property, both misdemeanors. Those charges were handed down on February 17th. At issue, though, during his arraignment on May 23rd, Cook entered a plea of guilty to all counts. However, the state requested the court to continue this matter so the guilty plea can be corrected. On Monday, Cook's arraignment hearing was continued again, this time at the request of his attorney, to allow the guilty plea agreement to be amended. Cook remains in custody on all 5 cases. His arraignment is now set for June 27th. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.